Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can pin OneDrive in the quick access. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go ahead and open File Explorer. If it's right here, just click on it, and if you don't have it here pinned, just go ahead and click on the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and open it. And then once you open File Explorer, go ahead and uh, maximize the window, and then just go here to the left. As you can see, guys, you're gonna find the homepage, gallery, desktop, and so on. And here you're gonna find OneDrive. So just go to OneDrive and then right click here. Then once you do that right here, you're gonna find all of these options. You're gonna find copy, expand, open in a new tab, open a new window, pin to quick access, pin to start, copy as path, properties, open in terminal. Here you're going to find WinRAR, and here you're going to find the option to show some more options. So just go ahead and click on pin to quick access. And then once you do that, as you can see guys, right here, you're going to be able to pin OneDrive to quick access. If you click on OneDrive, as you can see guys, right here, you're going to find or you're going to access all of your uploaded files in OneDrive. As you can see guys right here, you're going to find all of the folders. You can also create a new folder if you want and upload all of your data to that folder. So basically guys, if you want to unpin OneDrive, just right click again on it and then click on unpin, and then it will be unpinned from quick access. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.